everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video I will show you how you can create playlist for your YouTube channel. So if your YouTube channel has a lot of videos, you should organize them by creating playlist. And in today's video I will show you the right way to create playlist for your YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, to create playlist for your YouTube channel, you just have to go to YouTube Studio, and that is the dashboard that you can see on the screen. Now from here you just have to go to playlist section. So here on the left you will see some options. Click on playlist and this will take you to the area or the section where you can create new playlist for your YouTube channel. Alright, so these are the playlists that I have already created for my channel, and here you can see their visibility, if they are private or public, or when I added a new video to a particular playlist. Alright, so when this playlist was last updated, you can see the date right here and the number of videos that this particular playlist has. Alright, so this is the information that you can get from the playlist section. Now in order to create a new one, simply click on new playlist option right here at the top right, and then here you need to give a name to your playlist. Alright, so depending on the type of videos you are going to add to that particular playlist, you need to have a title for your playlist. Alright, so for example, if you are going to add videos related to skincare, so you can just name the playlist as skincare. Alright, that's it. In case if you want to put gaming videos in that particular playlist, you can simply type the name games or any particular games if you want to add. So here you need to give a title for your playlist. Once you are done with that, you need to ensure that the visibility is public, as if you are creating private playlist, your subscribers will not be able to see that and they will not be of any use for them. Alright, so make sure you have set visibility as public, and then you simply have to click on create. Once you have created the playlist, it will look something like this, and you can see the visibility is public, the last updated date is today. Alright, and the video count is 0. So this is showing an empty playlist, and when you will start adding videos to it, it will start showing the thumbnail of the latest or the first video that we have added to this playlist. Alright, now you can also add a description to this playlist if you want, so that whenever someone will visit your playlist section, they will be able to know that what kind of videos they are going to find there. Alright, so you can even add a description. For example, I have added this description for all of my playlists, for most of my playlists. Alright, so that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. And for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.